What is up, J fam? How you guys doing? Having a good day. So today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm just gonna be showing off some gear, the gear that I use for my motorcycle, and you guys are getting the first motorcycle video. But don't worry, there'll be way more to come. I'm gonna actually get I already have a GoPro, but I'm gonna put it like right here, like on the side. So then that'll be some really cool videos. So the first thing that you guys can see, because it's literally on me. Hold on. Trying to take. Oh, it's hard. Okay. Oh, that's why it was so hard, because it was already at the bottom. So the first thing, as you guys can see, is the goggles, which I don't use all the time. I only use it if I need it for, like, if I'm in the dirt or high wind speeds or water. It's just protection, I guess. So that's the first thing, and it just straps on your helmet just like that. Be on the ground. Stay on the ground. Next thing. I actually have it on. Now, you never saw what I did. It was on me the whole time. Okay? All right. So, there's a BILT. Built helmet. I love this, like, mouthpiece right here. It's not really a mouthpiece, but, like, the cover, I guess, right here. It's really nice. It's the American flag. United States of American flag. American. So, then I have a SpongeBob hoodie. It's not protective at all, but, it's a hoodie to keep me nice and warm. Next thing I have is, I have to kind of like move it down so you guys can see some riding pants. They look baggy right now, but that's only because, first off, so I can grow into them, and also whenever I get on the bike, they look shorter because my knees are going to be lifted. So yeah, next, oh, hold on, I just wanted to show you one really cool thing. It's like silicone right here, and then it's like lets air flow through there so I don't sweat really badly on my legs. Next, I have my boots. I have O'Neill boots. O'Neill boots. They're really good boots. So these boots, the riding boots in general, are meant to keep your ankle safe and your foot so it doesn't absolutely shatter. So these have like little not straps, but you kind of click into them so then they can just be nice and tight. So now let me rise you up. Now you can look at my amazing face. And now the truth is right here. The truth. The amazing Apollo bike. Ow. That's sent dirt flying. So yeah, it really is nice. You can see right here the engine, foot brake. I don't even know if I'm getting this right. But yeah, so that's that. The tank is right there. I think that's really all to say about the bike. Now you guys are gonna watch me ride it. Yes, I have you guys in a stand right now. So I gotta put you guys back. Ooh, yellow. Got a whole bunch of yellow. I guys see a hand there. Okay. So yeah, I'm about to ride it. You guys are about to see me ride. I don't know how far out you guys are gonna be able to see me. Let's see if I can move it back anymore to help. All right. Okay. So right here is the most. put this thing back here to lever out. And now you're Gucci. You guys are gonna be able to see me. I don't know if you guys can hear me, so that's why I'm screaming a little bit. So yeah, you guys are about to watch me start it and everything. Turn it on. All right. That was that was my whole bike tour, and just be ready for what is to come in the future, because I will be riding and you guys will be watching a lot of that, because like I said, I'm either gonna be getting the sticky parts for a GoPro, either put it right here, but I don't think that's gonna work out, so most likely here or here, or I can put it on top, but I'll figure it out, you know. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video, subscribe, put on notifications on all so you know when I post. And that's pretty much the end of this video. Hold on. Like I said, that was pretty much the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. That, remember that right there, that beauty. And bye-bye, guys.